All dear, welcome back to my channel MonoTK, and today I'm tutorial you about how to make frame for streaming game on YouTube channel and Facebook page gaming. The first time you go to create new and you choose side with 1080 H 720 and press OK, and go to rectangle tool and draw. You go to Shift and Alt, draw resize. Okay, and then you go to change color, go to shape, change color, blue color. Okay, and you go to Ctrl J to copy and save from the rectangle one, and you go to layer and go to combine set and subtract from shape. Yeah, and then you go to pet selection tool and press Ctrl T and resize. Okay, resize already. You go to apply and Ctrl J to copy, please wait. Ctrl J to copy, please wait. Again Ctrl J, and you go to Ctrl T and resize make. You change color, go to save, apply, white color. Yeah, already. After you change color already, you go to file, just go to prepare for design. You can download this image below my description link. I go to Mobile Legends image. Okay, and save to resize. Okay, please wait. Okay, already. And then I go to pools, camera blacks, put on breaks. Please wait. I resize image, then I put on here. Please wait. Resize image. Okay, already. Yeah, and then you go to level up gaming, put on it, save out to resize image. Yeah, please wait. Okay, already. And then you go to EGG network, the shop, choice. Okay, resize again, change it here. Okay, already. Yes, and then you go to heroes, Shillong, you resize make. Yeah, place, put here. You can go to magic erase, and you select magic erase. Please wait. Okay, already. You move arrow, click here. Okay, already. And then you go to light share flow, page, and refresh, save art to resize image. Yes, and then you pull on it and you go to magic erase and click on it. Okay, please wait. Okay, already. Put here to okay, design already. Yes, and so smooth. If you want to extract more time, go to studio file. Yes, already. Okay, and you can sell PDFs. This sell. Okay, PNG here. Okay. This way. And that is also slow. Please wait, please wait. So slow. Spy. Please wait earlier.